everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I'm going to show you some notification settings on Twitter so you can be notified any moment that you want to. So when you're using Twitter, of course, you might not want to be sitting all day and just be going through your feed, even though it never gets boring, right? But sometimes you just need to take some time off from your Twitter to do your actual work because it is really taking your time, not in a bad way, but it really does. You cannot just get out of that fun feed maybe. So what we're gonna do here, but even though you can not get out of your feed to do your homework, to watch something. So there's this thing, but you still want to be notified. Like you want to know if someone has mentioned you, someone has replied to any of your free tweets, and you want to know that. So what we're gonna do is clearly we'll have to turn our notifications on actually. Yes, when for normal for a normal day or for any person who has a Twitter can just go to twitter.com on their desktop and click notifications here, and they can see all of their notifications, and also they can see their mentions in a different separate way, as you can see here. But for example, you're gonna be doing your homework on another tab, and you don't want to feel that need to let me go and see what's new on Twitter, right? So what we're gonna do here, but you still want to know if you got a notification. So we're gonna click more from here, and we're gonna go settings and privacy, and from here we're gonna go to notifications. And as you can see, we have preferences. For example, the main thing we're going to do today is push notifications, which allows us to have our notifications even if we're not using Twitter at the moment. So we're clicking here, and as we can see, what we should be doing is turning it on. When we click here, we're going to be receiving notifications as they happen, and we will also receive them when we're not on Twitter, but you can turn them off anytime also. But there's this thing that you should know. This is only working for this computer. If you're gonna be using it in another computer, you have to do this setting again. So I'm going to turn it on right now, and I am getting this prompt, and I want to say allow because I want to have my notifications. And as you can see, now I have it on. So from here, I can tailor anything I want. So do I want to know the tweets? Do I want to know do I want to get notified when I have a tweet or anything? And by the way, if you have your phone in your account that you have associated with, you will also be getting SMS notifications, right? Even if you're not in Twitter in that moment. So what do I want to do? Yes, do I want to know about tweets? Of course, I would like to. So there is a tick already. So do you want to know about mentions and replies? For example, if I want them just to be tailored for me, like it can be from the account, like only my mentions, only the mentions that are being used my name in it, my username in it. Yes, I want it on. But you can also turn it off, or you can have it from anyone, even that person is not following you or you're not following them. When it comes to retweets, you can also choose whichever you want, and when it comes to likes also. And when someone is tagging you on their picture when you're sharing it, if you want to be notified, you have to do this. But would I really want to see every picture of mine when my best friend is just using it as a way to revenge that I just shared her picture, that she looks a bit worse than I do, you know? But never mind, I have to know. I have to know how do I look like in that picture. So when I get a new follower, I will get notified, and also direct messages, I will get notified. As you can see, all of them we can turn them on or off. So also from Twitter itself, we will know about topics, news, popular in your network, moments, broadcasts, and crisis and emergency alerts. If you don't, for example, you're an anxious person or you get anxious very easily, so you don't want to know about it. So what you can do is just clicking on it and it's going to turn it off. But I want to know about them so I can be prepared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off. So this is the way to do it. But in any case, if you would like to, oh, this is now too much notification, I cannot even get peace of mind. So what you're going to do is also very simple. You're just going to click this slider and now you will not receive any notification. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions about notifications or anything about Twitter and technology, you can ask me on the comments and I will be there and I will be happy for answering for those questions to you. And thank you for watching. Do not forget to give us likes if you have liked this video, but I'm pretty sure you did so. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to hit that button too. Take care. See you soon.